This is Subscreen, and this is how to get DirecTV streaming app on a smart TV. So I'm going to discuss multiple solutions, so just follow along. So guys, the first problem is you might have a TV that is too old to download the streaming apps, or it cannot connect to the internet to download the application. And guys, it can really be frustrating if you are not able to download the app. So to install DirecTV streaming app on your TV, you just have to have an HDMI port to plug into. Now, for this process, you have to invest in a streaming device such as Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV 4K, or Roku Stick to plug into your TV HDMI port. Now guys, you would then use the Roku or Fire Stick as your main streaming player, which bypasses the operating system on your TV. And from there, you'll be able to get DirecTV streaming app on a smart TV. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!